Hi, second grade. Today we're going to be reviewing place value. It's been a while since the beginning of the year when we started learning about place value, so we're going to review it today. And the way we're going to review it is we're going to do a mystery number practice game. Let's get started. Let's review our vocabulary with place value. What is place value? Place value is the value of a digit as determined by its location in a number, such as ones, tens, hundreds, 1000s, and etc. Today we are writing our place value digits in standard form. That's the representation of a number using digits. For example, 1200 would look like that when we are writing it in standard form. Also, a reminder, a digit are the numbers 0 through 9. Let's get started with our game. We are playing a mystery number game. So let's look at problem number 1. The first thing we need to do is we need to draw a place value chart. To draw a place value chart, I need to draw 3 columns. Just like this. And we are going to label it hundreds, tens, and ones. O stands for ones, T stands for tens, H stands for hundreds. Let's look at our clues. Our first clue says that our mystery number has a 4 in the tens place. So I'm going to go to my tens place and I'm going to write the number 4. Our second clue says that it has a 2 in the ones place. So now I'm going to go to the ones place and I'm going to write the digit 2. And our final clue says it has a 6 in the hundreds place. So I'm going to place the digit number 6 in my hundreds place. So now I can solve my mystery number. My mystery number today for this problem is 642. Let's try another one. Let's look at mystery problem number 2. Now remember, first step is to draw our place value chart. I need to write my hundreds, my tens, and my ones. Let's look at our clues. Our first clue says it has a 3 in the ones place. So I'm going to go to the ones place, which O stands for ones, and I'm going to write the number 3. Next, I'm going to look at my next clue. It says has a 1 in the tens place. Now I'm going to go to the tens place and I'm going to write the number 1 in my chart under the T for 10. Finally, I'm going to look at my last clue. My last clue says it has a 7 in the hundreds place. Hundreds starts with H, so I know I need to put my 7 in the hundreds place. Let's look at our final answer. Our final answer for our mystery number is 713. Let's try another. First thing we need to do is draw our chart. Always start with 3 columns. And I'm going to draw my hundreds, my tens, and my ones. Let's look at our clues. Clue number 1 says has an 8 in the tens place. So I'm going to write an 8 in my tens place. Our next problem says has a 2 in the ones place. So a 2 in my ones place, I'm going to find my ones place and I'm going to write the number 2. And our final clue says it has a 2 in the hundreds place. So I'm going to write another number 2 under our H for hundreds. So our mystery number for problem number 3 is 282. Let's do one more problem together. First, we're going to draw our chart. 3 columns. A column for hundreds, a column for tens, and a column for ones. Our first clue says we have a 5 in the tens place. So I'm going to draw a number 5 in my tens place. Our next problem clue says we have a 1 in our ones place. So I'm going to draw a 1 in our ones place. And our final clue says we have a 4 in our hundreds place. So let's draw a 4 in our hundreds place. So our mystery number for problem number 4 is 451. And remember, we read our math problems just like when we read a book, from left to right, from our largest digit to our smallest one. So 451. Let's do our activity for today. Now it's your turn to guess the mystery number. So our mystery number at home activity problem. Follow along with me. The mystery number has a 4 in the hundreds place, a 6 in the ones place, and a 5 in the tens place. What number am I? And remember, don't forget to draw your place value chart to help you solve your problem. I hope you had fun today, and just remember, your second grade teachers miss you. Bye.